Have you ever gotten to the point where you wondered what happened in the budget? Why didn't you come in under budget? Why did you come in over budget? What did you spend too much money on? What did you not spend too much money on? Where did the chaos happen in your paycheck, in your budget? Like, what happened? What had happened? So the answer to those questions is, how well are you able to close out your budget? Well, in today's video, I am going to be giving you guys step-by-step process on how I close out my budget to see where the opportunities are, if any, and how I can go into the next pay period and dominate. Okay? So if that is something that you're here for, then just go ahead and stay tuned. And if this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If that is something that you're interested in, the type of content that you want to consume, then go ahead and I hope that you consider subscribing to the channel. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I'm glad you're back. All right, girls, let's get into it. Girls or guys, because I think I have both here. What's up, homies? Let's go ahead and jump into closing out the last budget. I haven't even looked at it, you guys. I am a little bit nervous. I'm like, oh my goodness, I hope I get an A. I hope I get the grade of an A on this closeout. So I haven't closed out a budget for the past like couple of months, but I decided to really be on it, really stick to my no spend so that my budget can close out with a grade of an A. And that basically means that what I have at the end, I should still have going into the next pay period. So I am here. The last paycheck that I did receive was on September the 27th, and I did budget everything for the last 2 months. I did a really great job with expense tracking this pay period. And the way that I expense track is a little bit different than others. So I do know that other people, they expense track the entire month. And for me, I just expense track every paycheck. So because I am a paycheck to paycheck budgeter, to me, that's what matters most. So, that's what you see here. This is everything that I spent within this paycheck. Now at the end of the month, maybe I'll go back and look at everything that I spent to see where can I cut and so forth. But for right now, that's pretty much how I'm doing it. If you are new here, or if you have been here for a while but you're not kind of sure my situation, I am a single person and I am a paycheck to paycheck budgeter, and I have one income, one, and I guess you could say I have two incomes because I do have a side hustle, so that does count as income. So I do have two incomes. I have a job, and then I also have side hustle income that does come in. And it's actually three: one from YouTube, one from my own products that I sell, and then my paycheck. Now, the reason why I kind of was wondering, you know, how do I explain this? From one income is what I use to actually pay my bills, and that is from my job. So I only use the income from my employer to pay my bills. Now, I will not have an employer as of the 18th of this month. I will be terminated, and I will no longer have a job, and I will then be moving on to the severance that I've been blessed with. So just want to kind of give you guys a synopsis of what I have. In my budgets, I do not share what I give for tithes, and I do not share my mortgage. All of that is taken out before we even get to the paycheck. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you have been wondering and you haven't been here for a long time, because I don't share every single video. Yeah, so single budgeter. I live in California, which is a very expensive state to live in, and I do have one child. However, she's an adult, and I also have a grandchild, and they do live with me. So while I do not fully financially take care of her, I do help her as she needs help in any financial areas, and so that's that. All right, so let's get to my paycheck here. And let's see. I did a 1 week check-in, which is good. And I want to make sure that I account for everything, so just give me a moment while I look all of that over. So what came into the account and what I started this pay period with was $2,904.19. So there was nothing else that was put into my account, and so that's what we started with, which was a little bit more than what I thought we were gonna come in with. It was about $100 more. So $2,904.19 was the actual. And I put it in green here because it was more than what I thought I was gonna bring in. The tithes was given and the mortgage was paid. HOA came in a little bit over at $298.18. I only budgeted $295.23 for it. The solar came in a little bit cheaper, and I budgeted $99.44, and $99.14 is what I paid. The court came right on budget at $75. Apple came in on budget at $18.98. Netflix came in on budget $15.49. The internet cable came in a little bit over budget, and it was $118.77. And ADT came in on budget $59.99. Sirius XM $7.27, and then electric came in on budget as well at $151.89. And there was no other bills that came out. So now what I'm gonna do is add all of this together and see what we get. All right, so taking a look in the fixed expenses area, which are the bills, I did come in a little bit over, as you can imagine, where there were some overages here. So instead of me coming in at $840.81, I came in at $844.71. And then as it relates to my leftover, I was left over with $2,059.48. So I'm gonna bring that down here to the actuals. And food and groceries, I did spend $50. There was nothing else. Yeah, so $50, I spent all of it. And then toiletries, I did spend all of the toiletries as well. And household, I didn't spend the household. I actually took the household and I put it into sinking funds. However, it came out of the account, so I'm still gonna put the $40 there. Gas came in right at Target at $169.98. And then I did have to pay for parking somewhere. It was $2.28. And then I did spend $4.03 at Sephora. What had happened was, no, just kidding. I had got some money from an affiliate, and I decided to purchase a bottle of perfume. You guys already know. And I was short $4. So I just said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and spend that $4 so I can get me a bottle of perfume. So that's what that was from. So now I am going to add up all of the variable expenses and see where we land. So the total came in at $306.29. Let you guys see that. So I was still up at $1,753.19. Now we're gonna go up to the Paycheck budget, and the actual $1,753.19. So I did take $100 out, so that came in right on target. And so then this would be $1,653.19. So 1,653.19, and I did take out $230. And let's see how much that is. So with this, so we got 1,653.19 minus 230. So this will let me know the grade that I get, because I know what's in my account right now, which is right before I get paid. So I'm gonna hit the enter button and let's see, or the, not enter, but the equals. So $1,423.19, and let's see if that is what's in my account. It's a little bit off. I'm still gonna give myself an A. So what I actually have is $1,419.57. This is what I actually have. So it's off by a couple of dollars, and that's okay. I think I still want to give myself an A. I mean, that's pretty close, you know. I don't know where the extra cents is coming from, but it is totally okay. This is an A. This is an A for me. So expense tracking 100% works. I have been on a mission to make sure that I am expense tracking everything, and then also making sure that I am not spending any money as I am on my no spend challenge, and it is really working well, as you can see. So I'm on it, and I hope that you guys are on it as well. Let me know, how are you guys doing on your no spends? If you are on a no spend, how are you doing? Leave it down in the comments, so that we can encourage one another. So that is pretty much it for this video. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed. And how did you do on your closeout? If you did do a closeout, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you do it.